Hey everyone, check out the SYLPHID PVC rubber work boots for men, designed for ultimate waterproof protection. These boots feature a 100% waterproof PVC seamless design that keeps your feet dry in any wet conditions. They come equipped with an ASTM-certified certified steel toe and steel shank for maximum safety and support. Made from durable PVC polyblend material, these boots resist oils and harsh chemicals, making them perfect for tough jobs. The 15-inch shaft height provides excellent coverage, while the slip-resistant rubber outsole ensures high traction on slippery surfaces. Ideal for gardening, farming, fishing, and outdoor work, these boots combine comfort and protection in one reliable package. Stay safe and comfortable during your outdoor tasks with SYLPHID waterproof work boots. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.